Wake up, HCA! I'm Sophie.
I'm Bailey.
And today we're going to be learning about describing and measuring motion. An object is in motion if its distance from another object is changing.
A reference point is a place or object used in comparison to see if an object is moving. An object is in motion if it changes position relative to a reference point. The International System of Units, or SI as we call it, is the basic unit of measurements.
An example of an SI unit is a meter. What is a meter, you ask? It's a little bit longer than a yard.
If you know the distance of an object traveled at a certain amount of time, you can calculate the speed of the object. Woo!
The speed of an object is the distance the object travels per unit of time.
Hey, how do you calculate average speed?
You take the total distance traveled divided by the total time.
Really?
Yeah!
Instantaneous speed is the rate at which an object is moving at a given time, instant, at an instant time.
Speed in a given direction is called velocity.
When you know the speed and direction of the object, you can find its velocity.
You can show the motion of an object on a line graph in which you plot the distance versus time. The steepness of a line on a graph is called the slope. Hi! Do you know how to calculate speed?
No, I don't.
Well, to calculate speed, you do distance over time.
Oh, thank you for telling me that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. I need a hug.
Hello?
Hi. You know what distance is?
No.
Distance is speed times time.
Hi. Do you know how to calculate time? No. Okay. Well, to calculate time, you do distance divided by speed. Oh, okay. Cool. Thank you for everyone who was in this video. It was really helpful. We would like to give a shout out to Mrs. Mitch, Mrs. Haney, and Mrs. Dooley. Here
are
our bloopers! An object is in motion when the
Reference point.
An object is in motion if it's changing due to its reference point. An object if it's motion if it's changing due to its reference point. The International System of Units is, well, SI, is a basic unit. The International System of Units, or SI as we call it, is a basic measurement of. Yup.
Okay.
Go.
Okay. An example of an SI unit is a meter. What is a meter?
If you know the distance of an object travels at a certain amount of time, you can calculate the speed of the object. Instantaneous speed is the rate at which an object is moving at a given instant in time. Go. My favorite. Am I getting up for it soon?
I started the camera. Yep. Soccer! Woo! Mine!
The steepness of a line on a graph is called slope. The slope tells you how fast we're going.
The steepness of a line on a graph is called the slope.
Hi.
Yep.
I didn't know that.
Thank you to everyone who was in this video. It really helped us. A shout out to Mrs. Mitch.